Are you trying to decide between Fieldwire and Aconex for document control in your construction projects? Both tools promise to streamline your workflow, but which one truly stands out? Stick with me until the end, as I'll break down the pros and cons of both and reveal a competitor you should consider as well. You might be surprised by what I recommend. Let's start with Fieldwire. Fieldwire is often favored by teams working in the field. It's designed to be mobile friendly, giving on site teams access to blueprints, daily logs, tasks, and reports in real time. The user interface is straightforward, making it easy for workers to mark up drawings and manage punch lists. However, Fieldwire does come with limitations, especially when it comes to document management. While it allows you to upload and organize files, it lacks more advanced document control features like robust versioning, audit trails, and customizable workflows. Next, let's talk about Aconex. Aconex is a heavy hitter in the construction industry and offers a broader set of document management tools. It's known for its document control capabilities, with features like automated workflows, detailed audit trails, and compliance reporting. Aconex supports large-scale projects and complex teams, making it a better fit for those who need high-level control over documents. But Aconex isn't without its downsides. The user interface is often criticized for being clunky and difficult to navigate, especially for smaller teams. Some users also mention that it can be slow and the learning curve is steep. Now, let's look at how these two stack up in the area of collaboration. Fieldwire excels in this department, as it integrates well with various project management tools and allows easy sharing of documents among team members. The app allows for real-time messaging and task assignments, which is great for on-site communication. On the flip side, Aconex does have collaboration features, but it's more focused on document management rather than team communication. Its strength lies in controlling document versions and approvals, but when it comes to day-to-day team coordination, Fieldwire leads the way. In terms of pricing, Fieldwire is generally more affordable for smaller teams and projects. It offers tiered pricing, and you can start with a free version, though it's quite limited. Aconex, on the other hand, is better suited for larger organizations with more complex needs. The pricing tends to be higher, but you get more robust features in return. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Fieldwire has a variety of integrations, including Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft Office, making it fairly flexible with other software you might be using. Aconex offers fewer integrations, but it does provide API options for custom integration. This makes Aconex a better choice if you need advanced system connectivity. But here's the thing, both Fieldwire and Aconex have their weaknesses. Fieldwire is fantastic for field teams, but it falls short in document control, which is crucial for large construction projects. Aconex, while powerful in document management, can be cumbersome and complex for smaller teams. So, what's the best option? Well, after trying all of them myself, I have to say neither of these fully meets the goal of seamless document control with easy collaboration and a simple user experience. But don't worry, I've got an alternative that I think might be a better fit. If you're looking for a tool that combines ease of use, solid document control, and better overall project management, I recommend checking out the first link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.